Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find my image in Midjourney. So to find your image in Midjourney, there are some methods you can use to find your image. So the first have to do is to visit the Midjourney archive page. So for you to do that, log in using your Discord account, then navigate to the Organize tab to view all your created image. You can filter or search for specific image using the keyword. For example, can use the Discord search, which is in private Discord server, where you've used the Midjourney bot. Then use the search bar at the top right corner. Then type the keyword related to your image prompt to locate your creation. Then from there, mention in public channel. So for you to do that in public channel, a public Midjourney channel, for example, search for newbies, then click on the box icon at the top right corner, then select mention to view all images associated with all your prompt. And that's how to find image in my Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.